Your CPU's having a meltdown? Slap this beast on it. Lian GA2 LCD 360mm ain't playin'. Still relying on dusty air coolers and boring, blank-faced AIOs? You're not alone in the sad, clicky chaos of overheating CPUs, screeching fans, and BIOS temps hotter than your ex's last DM. If you've ever sat there watching your PC throttle like it's on life support while you're in the middle of editing, streaming, or gaming, congrats, you've officially joined the Performance Pain Club. Clunky installation. No customization. Zero personality. Sound familiar? That's the harsh reality for too many desktops suffering under outdated, underwhelming cooling. Your PC deserves better. You deserve better. And now, that better finally exists. Let's get real, this isn't just a little annoying, it's maddening. Your rig sounds like a jet engine, thermal throttling kills your frames, and your temps are one Steam update away from turning your system into a skillet. Your productivity? Cooked. Creativity? Bottlenecked. Motivation? Derailed. You didn't drop money on high-end CPUs just to see them slow dance with 90 degrees Celsius temps. And let's not even talk about those RGB setups that look great but can't cool worth a damn. If your setup's all sizzle and no chill, it's time for a mutiny. Kick inefficiency to the curb. Permanently. Enter the Lian GA2 LCD 360mm AIO, your PC's new overlord of cool. With an Asetek 8th Gen pump spinning at 3600 RPM and a hypnotic 2.88-inch IPS LCD screen, this beast doesn't just cool, it dominates. Whether you're rocking Intel's LGA 1700 or AMD's spicy new AM5, this unit brings whisper-quiet precision, 32.1 decibels A-weighted, and ARGB fans that come pre-installed, because screwing around with setups is so 2022. And here's the kicker, you can screen record and play videos right on your pump. That's right. Turn your cooler into a meme machine, stat counter, or flex gallery. It's not just functional, it's straight up addictive. Plug it in, boot it up, and let the power trip begin. Lian's Connect 3 software gives you full god tier control, drop-in GIFs, videos, screenshots, or layered effects like a boss. Edit, display, and dazzle directly from your desktop's heartbeat. Installation? Easy. Versatility? Legendary. The 45 degrees rotary fittings let you twist this cooler like a Rubik's Cube until it fits just right. And those daisy-chained fans? They're not just pretty, they churn out 61.3 cubic feet per minute of airflow and look like a light show in a sci-fi movie. This isn't a cooler. It's a statement piece. And a savage one at that. Don't just keep your system cool, make it iconic. If your PC's thermal solution feels like it belongs in 2015, you already know it's time. The Lian GA2 LCD 360mm is the flex your desktop's been begging for. Unbox next-gen efficiency. Eliminate thermal throttling. Turn your CPU into an unstoppable force of creative, productive, gaming glory. With a 6-year warranty, insane customization, and pre-installed everything, there's literally no excuse left. Click that Add to Cart button before it's sold out. Your rig's redemption arc starts right now.